Imagine me as a blonde. That would be just weird. Hey.
Wow.
I am so amused by this. I want to eat a sock.
What? I just had that on, you know, man. I should have let you eat it and then laughed at you. It's a tick. Oh my god, it's a tick.
No one likes you. I should do this. I should just walk around an anime convention with just a random outfit and then a jewel on my forehead and then this wig. And then people will be all like, "Who are you? Who are you?" And I'll be like, "I have no idea."
Yeah. Like, I made this up because I think it's cool.
I put it together just randomly.
It's like,
Ratata.
heavy body vitarita minna minna moi hera hitata heavy tavi 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 his the minna moi hera hinna minna mehero guru 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 heru rita minna minna moi guru guru heru ratata heavy body vitarita minna moi hera hitata heavy tavi 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 his the minna moi hera hinna minna mehero guru 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 heru rita minna. No stabbing me with a hairbrush. Thank you very much. If you're gonna stab me with a hairbrush, I'm not gonna start singing again. And take off my hair, Matt. Take it off now. Don't throw my hair, Matt.
I have no music to swing my hairbrush to. I need a leak. I want a freaking leak. That'll be my new thing.
My bathroom's downstairs.
Chocolate. I will have
Just
leaks.
kidding.
Leaks. Leaks.
Well, okay. Bye, people.